Hello friends. Today September 16th is designated by the United Nations General Assembly as International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer. Ozone is a 3-oxygen inorganic molecule having pale blue color, and it is a protective layer of our planet Earth. So regarding this day, we students of class 10 is going to present a video, and it is prepared by members of Nature Buddies in class 10th. Now let's start our program by a slogan.
Ozone is like a mother of earth who protects her child from harmful radiations.
Ozone layer is the part of the Earth's atmosphere which contains relatively high concentrations of ozone gas.
World Ozone Day is observed on September 16 every year to spread awareness among people about the depletion of ozone layer and find possible solutions to preserve it. On this day, people from all over the world hold talks and seminars on the ozone layer. Educators teach students about the benefits of the ozone layer, and special events and activities are organized to spread awareness.
Ozone layer is important because it protects the Earth from harmful ultraviolet rays from the sun. Without the ozone layer in the atmosphere, life on Earth would be very difficult. With the weakening of the ozone layer shield, humans would be more susceptible to skin cancer, cataracts, and impaired immune systems.
Without the ozone layer in place, radiation from the sun would reach Earth directly, damaging the DNA of plants and animals. The intensity of the sun's radiation would make photosynthesis impossible.
Recovery will occur as ozone depleting substance or ODS, and reactive halogen gases in the stratosphere decrease in the coming decades. In addition to responding to ODS, future ozone amounts will increasingly be influenced by expected changes in climate. The resulting changes in stratospheric ozone will depend strongly on the geographic region.
The depletion has lessened since then and now is about 3.5% averaged over the globe. The average depletion exceeds the natural year-to-year variations of global total ozone. The ozone loss is very small near the equator and increases with latitude toward the poles.
Ozone can be measured by its absorption of ultraviolet light or by the electrical current produced in an ozone chemical reaction. The balloons ascend far enough in the atmosphere to measure ozone in the stratospheric ozone layer.
Most ozone resides in the stratospheric ozone layer, and a small percentage is distributed throughout the troposphere. Total ozone values are often reported in Depletion units. Typical values vary between 200 and 500 Depletion units over the globe.
Chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs are the main cause of ozone layer depletion. The molecules of chlorofluorocarbons in the stratosphere are broken down by the ultraviolet radiations and release chlorine atoms. These atoms react with ozone and destroy it.
For preserving the ozone layer, we can do something by ourselves. So let's hear some points which we can easily do and preserve ozone layer.
We should use air conditioning and refrigeration equipment that do not use hydrochlorofluorocarbon as refrigerant.
We should use aerosol products that do not use hydrochlorofluorocarbons or CFCs as propellants.
We should conduct regular inspection and maintenance of our air condition and refrigerator application to prevent and minimize refrigerator leakage.
For existing air conditioning and refrigeration, appliances that operate on hydrochlorofluorocarbon HCFCs or chlorofluorocarbon CFCs, the refrigerant should be recovered or recycled whenever an overhaul of equipment is to be carried out.
We should replace or retrofit such equipment to operate on non-hydrochlorofluorocarbon refrigerant should also be considered.
When motor vehicle air conditioners need servicing, make sure that the refrigerants are properly recovered and recycled instead of being vented to the atmosphere.
So from the explanation we can come to the point that All of us can contribute to ozone layer and through its protection, environment as and all other creatures are protected. Lastly, let's wind up this by a slogan related to ozone. Thank you.
Earth without ozone is like a house without roof.